This drink melts cholesterol like butter, the truth Big Pharma won't tell you. Doctors said it was impossible, but this ancient blend is changing lives. You're not alone in this fight. Globally, high cholesterol affects hundreds of millions, a silent threat that dramatically increases the risk of heart disease. It's a modern epidemic, but the solution might be ancient. If you've been told high cholesterol is a life sentence, try this smoothie. See this. This is what's happening inside millions of people right now. Cholesterol clogging your arteries like a relentless traffic jam, but watch what happens next. A golden smoothie, a potent mix of ginger, lemon, turmeric and garlic, floods in like a superhero squad, blasting away the dangerous buildup and restoring flow. Let's break down the all-star ingredients. First up, garlic. It's nature's own statin. The magic comes from a compound called allicin, which not only battles LDL cholesterol but also helps prevent blood clots, ensuring your circulatory system remains a free-flowing highway. Next, lemon. Packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants, lemon acts as a natural cleanser for your entire system, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage arterial walls and contribute to plaque formation. It also helps balance your body's pH. Then we have ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory and circulation booster. Its active compound, gingerol, is a superstar at reducing inflammation throughout the cardiovascular system. This means less irritation on your artery linings, making it harder for cholesterol to stick and build up. And finally, turmeric. The secret weapon. Curcumin, its active ingredient, is a cardiovascular champion. It doesn't just fight lipid buildup, it actively prevents the oxidation of cholesterol, a key step in plaque formation. Think of it as a protective shield for your arteries, soothing them from the inside out. Here's how to make it. Add 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger and garlic cloves, peeled and sliced, in a pot with 2 cups of water. Boil for 5 minutes. Pour it into a blender or juicer. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 lemon sliced into pieces or a squeezed-in lemon. Blend it for about 2 minutes. Strain it and serve. Pour it into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey or apple cider vinegar for taste and added benefits. Look at that vibrant golden color, that's pure, unadulterated artery-clearing power right there. For the best results, drink this elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows for maximum absorption of its powerful nutrients. Your arteries will thank you. To understand its power, let's look at your cardiovascular system. Imagine a network of highways. Your arteries with your heart as the central pump. When LDL, or bad cholesterol, is too high, it's like sticky, slow-moving traffic. This LDL accumulates on artery walls, forming hard deposits called plaque. This process, atherosclerosis, dangerously narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow and forcing your heart to work much harder. It's a silent traffic jam that can lead to a catastrophic pileup, a heart attack, or stroke. But the compounds in this smoothie intervene directly. They bind to excess cholesterol in your system, preventing it from sticking to your artery walls and helping your body to safely flush it out through bile and digestion. Check out this incredible before and after. A dull, clogged, and inflamed artery versus a clean, glowing, healthy artery. That is the undeniable power of nature at work. Are you ready to reclaim your health and transform your arteries? Try this smoothie for 1 month and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this life-changing video with someone you know who needs it. Disclaimer. This content is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Individual responses to natural ingredients may vary, and some may cause allergic reactions. Always consult your doctor or qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health routine. By Global Ecolinks. Resiliency renewed in roots. Rooted in grace, ready to brace.